Hello, my friends. Guess what? For a limited time, and when I say limited, I mean limited, like usually like 24 hours or less, because until it's sold out, or 24 hours, guess what? We have a bundle on our website for club members only. If you're a club member, make sure you're logged in, because you are going to want to see this amazing bundle that goes with our Get Well set. And look how cute those little guys are. Look at this, oops, look at that, look at that. Go to the website ASAP as quickly as possible, because not only is it our regular everyday low price, then it's on flash sale price, then it's on bundle price, which is even less, and you get your club discount. Go quick, thestampsoflife.com, log in if you're a club member, and get in on this bundle ASAP. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.
much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.